Actually, when things just don't fall right on, you know you got problems.
Mm-hmm.
You don't really have to put together to know that. So I can't get the thing to come off. Damn. Binding. We're going to take out the one washer. We're back to where we were, it was real loose. That doesn't make sense. Makes no sense at all, but we'll come back and check it again. Let's make sure our shaft is still good here. Yep. Good clearance. Well, we could loosen up the cam a little bit and that would free things up just a little bit, but it's good the way it is in clearance. I'm good with that. So this is the one that's not, this is our worst one. Well, yours is the worst one. This one is no good. So I can try a bunch of used ones. I got those. Everyone you deal with is different. Gems is big. There's a 1 thou tolerance between sizes, and there's a 3/4 thou variance between what the gears can be. So this is on the tight side, this one's on the looser side. Neither one worked out well. This is our best one, which is the Harley one, but it was still too big. Yeah, we don't know how good this is, so we need some other gears. So we need to find some gears. Any gears laying around?
Might have a few on the shelf.
Might have a few on the shelf somewhere? What shelf?
Well, you're in this bay, so...
What would we want with the 54 number on it someplace? Oh, there's a couple left. There's 3 of them in there.
Hopefully one of them's the right one for us.
Which one looks the best?
The one that fits.
In this case, the one that looks the worst. This one has the most rusting on it. That doesn't mean it's the smallest. So 54 to 77 and 90 and up use this gear, this wire. And the other one uses the other wires. 2 different sizes. Let's see, that's a small one. We know this is no good, right?
Well, we know it didn't work.
About 8 1/4. About the same. Way smaller. 3 1/4.
Down from 8 1/4 to 3 1/4?
Yeah. Make sure I was in the right number. Oh yeah, it's the same number. So that's 5 thou. That's one goes from one extreme to the other on the sizing ranges. And this one is 5 1/2.
A little mid-range.
So that's our loosest one. This is right in between. The Harley one over here is our closest one we're using. It rotated nicely, but it was tight. About 5 1/2. So the winner is the black one. If that don't work, we'll be back. And something else. Okay, yours was over there. Which one? What are these? Where's the one that was over there? What was this one? Yeah, the new one. There's the colors. They all look the same. New, used.
Okay.
Just for shits and gigs. What was this one? Seven and a half. That's why the hard one. It's getting so much better. Surprised there's that much difference. I think it's a little bit bigger than the other one, but not that much bigger. Two thou difference. I was figuring a thou or so or less. Oh well. That's the way you measure shit. This one's not very good. It's a bad gear. So teeth are used in there. If I can see it. There it is. See?
Oh, wow.
Got some issues. Over here it's good though. Alright, so we got, we'll put this in and see if it fits, and then if it's the right size, then we got a reference to get something else. We're going to measure up all the, go see what a new one, different sizes are, we're going to start playing with the cam gear. Because my used one was the same as the new one, in size, the other one. So, getting away from this. So we're back to 1 and 1. Maybe I tried one of them. It's loose to goose. Doesn't make sense how that would tighten up. We already had that. There's no way. No way. Forget to put that on there, make a difference. Come on.
Make it a little easier.
So what did I do different? That makes sense why that's tight now. Still tight. Too much. Oh, you dumbass. Wrong spot. I wonder if I left this out before. Something different. All right. Pretty sure we're going to be tight again. It measured looser though. That's what's weird. I'm locked up already. I don't understand why that stupid washer. That makes no sense. That one's out. The other one fell down now, so. Well, I figured that thing fell out. I didn't see it fall out. Because every time I put it in there, it had the same issue. Okay, this has moved quite a bit on us. Over here now. Tried to go on. Not quite. I think that thing's still screwing me. Okay, the gear has inplay on that one. So we got what, the used gear in there right now, right?
Yes.
It was
The 3.5 one.
quite a bit smaller than the other one. But it's not free. See?
Down.
Okay. So there's our circuit breaker gear. See it in there? Lights off again.
So it's on.
Oh, there it is. Okay. See, it's got the clearance in it.
Mm-hmm.
Not much, but a little bit. Oh, this one doesn't have clearance. So this one's still tight. So if this is tight, that could be causing some binding. A little bit. Well, it's way tight on the gear, so I can't move it. So it is not going to work. So the cam gear is the problem. Way too big. So I have to swap out the cam gear to a different gear. That pinion gear is bad, I don't like it.
Mm-hmm.
The Harley gear is the best one we have so far for fitment. So I think we'll put that one back in for now until we find something that works. And then we do have that one used gear, one of those two used ones is small, same size as the new gear. So if you want to use the used one, we'll have one if it works too. I don't know. Alright. So that is our problem. So I don't know what the deal is with this. It's tight. Drop it down to the skinny one, which makes no sense because we had a lot of in play. And this one here was locked up again with one thin washer, and we had a bunch of in play before. That doesn't make sense either. I think it's changing for some reason. Now we have to figure out what we're going to do about this cam gear. So we'll have to go hunt for gear. Alright. So 11:30, we're going to keep working, or?
What do you think?
I don't care. I don't have to get up in the morning and go to work.
I have to be up at 5, but we can carry on.
Okay. Alright. Shut off. We'll be back. I'm going to find a gear.